Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm just going to share with you my small balisong or butterfly knife collection. Okay, so let's start with these two. Okay, so they look similar. So some will say that these are tourist grade. So yeah, maybe you can just buy this in the store in this Taal, Batangas, Philippines. So this all came from the Philippines. Okay, so this I don't know if these are staghorns or yeah, they look like, I don't know. I'm not an expert in balisongs. So this one I got it from eBay. Actually, eBay. United States eBay. Somebody brought some here and then put it on sale on eBay. So I got this for 35 bucks. So they call this the Rambo style because of the design of the blade. Rambo style balisong. Okay. This I got this as a gift from my friend in Florida, all the way from also they brought it here from Batangas to Florida, and then he sent this to me here in Houston. So look at that, the blade compared to this. So it's just plain Jane compared to the Rambo style. Anyway, they are both 29ers, 29 centimeters. And this, I got this from an FB seller in the Philippines. I asked my sister to buy it for me. And then my friend brought it here together with this one. Okay, so this is hardwood grip. I think this is mahogany. I don't know if it's gonna focus. I don't know. Okay, so hardwood. Also 29 centimeters all overall length, but the blade is double-sided. Okay, double-sided blade. I like the design actually. And my final balisong is a 32 centimeter custom. I already featured this in my last balisong video. 32 centimeters and I think 13 ounces, almost double the weight of these two. All brass, all brass, all the way. Okay, and this is Carabao horn. Carabao horn, thick brass. Look at the thickness of the blade. Let's get this one for comparison. See? Okay, so you can see the difference. Locking mechanism has some designs. Okay, still tight. Oh, it's beginning to get loose. Okay, that's fine. Mirror finish on the blade. Let's see the blade thickness. Yeah, it's thicker, definitely thicker. And like I said, this is a 32 centimeters. No rough edges, smooth all over. Quality handcrafted balisong. So that's it. This is my small balisong or butterfly knife collection from Batangas, Philippines. Thanks for watching.